and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Vegan Season, where it's the season to be vegan. Sweet potato fries. So we want to start with, of course, our sweet potatoes, our vegetable scraper, and a nice sharp knife. So what we want to do is, we want to take out, the potatoes already cleaned and scrubbed. We want to take our vegetable peeler and start peeling the potatoes. Really simple, really easy. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is cut off the ends of the sweet potato. And whatever pieces of skin that's still here, just to make it quick, because I couldn't scrape everything. Sometimes it's a little hard for me. So just a quick touch up of the potato. And now we're gonna cut it into fries, into the fry shapes. So what we wanna do is cut a piece of the rounded part off of the potato so that the potato can lie flat, like this. Right? See, now it's flat, it's not gonna roll all over the place. And then we wanna, see, it's hard for me to cut. Oh, you didn't see that. Okay, we got it into slices, and then we're gonna just slice, slice, okay? And just put them aside. If you have a bowl ready, put them into a bowl one time so you could have space on your work surface. I don't want to make these too thin, you know? Okay, so that's one potato down. And 3 more to go. So now all of the sweet potatoes are cut into, I would say, more so like wedge-sized fries instead of the regular shoestring fries. I think that's what they're called. So now we want to put the sweet potato in a bowl of cold water, sprinkle in some sea salt, and we're going to let it soak for an hour so that all the starch can come out of the sweet potatoes, and it will cause a nice, and this will cause a nice crisp on the potatoes instead of something soggy, okay? So I'm sprinkling some sea salt on there, just okay, so we're gonna let this soak for an hour and then we'll come back. The sweet potato was soaking in salt water for an hour. Then I put it in a strainer to strain for 5 to 10 minutes, let all the water strain out. Now from here, we're gonna put the sweet potato on a towel. So I'm gonna lay a towel down, a clean towel, with some tissue paper so that this will soak out all the water, because we want a nice crisp on the sweet potato. So I'm gonna, with clean hands, take the sweet potatoes out, put it on the napkin, and just soak up all of that water. So we're gonna take another napkin, paper towel, and put it on top and just get all that water off. See all the water's coming through the napkin here? We want to get dry these potatoes off as much as we can. Let's see if I could turn it. Get the other side. So from here, we unwrap first. Let me move this over. We need another bowl. Then we're gonna unwrap our potato. I'm gonna just drop it in the bowl. So now what we want to do is to create that skin on the outside of the sweet potato, considering that, you know, there's no starch. It's not a starchy potato, but we took out the little starch that it had, but we just want that nice crisp on the outside. So you can use cornstarch, but I'm going to use arrowroot powder. I'm going to sprinkle it on, and then with clean hands again, we want to just go in there and coat potato with the arrowroot powder. Okay, so here I have a baking tray with a silicone baking sheet, but you can use parchment paper as well. So now this is just going to sit right here. We want to add some type of oil. I'm using olive oil. And then again, with clean hands, we're going to go in there and coat the potato. So now we want to lay it on the tray. You might have to use more than one tray, that's fine. I may have to use more than one tray, because you don't want it to be crowded together like this. You don't want that. You want it to be separate so that it you know, wouldn't get soggy. These are going to be so good. I can't wait to eat it with my vegan burger. We're going to do a basic veggie burger. You guys can use any patty that you want. Vegan, vegetarian patty, it doesn't matter. But what's going to set this burger apart are it's going to be the toppings that we put on. Okay, the patty is still frozen, so that's fine. But again, you can use, you know, any patty that you want. I'm just gonna fill up the grill with as much as possible. That can go on here. Okay. So, ooh, this looks good. Ooh, so I'm gonna turn the patties now. Ooh, this looks so good. Smells good. Ooh, smells good. Then when you get the toppings on there, it's almost ready. Okay. Okay, so now I don't want to make just a plain veggie burger. I want to make the veggie burger with a little bit of oomph to it, a little bit of kick to it. So what I'm going to put on is a little relish, in a preheated pot. We want a little bit of oil, any oil of your choice. I usually use olive oil or grapeseed oil or coconut oil, but today I'm using olive oil. And I have some onions and garlic cut up, some red bell pepper cut up, and some green bell pepper cut up. So to the pot, I'm going to add the onions and garlic. And it's time to flip the fries over. So while this is sauteing to get the flavors out, we're going to turn these fries. Okay, so just leave that on there for 5 minutes. Leave this on for 5 minutes. Let the flavors come out while it's sauteing, and then we're going to turn the fries at the same time and check on the burgers at the same time. So we're multitasking right now. So now you see the burger is coming together. You see the nice grill marks that's on there. So it looks like we're outside barbecuing, but we're inside. So that's fine. So I'm going to turn the burger one more time. Ooh, looks good. Look at those grill marks on there. Nice. Ooh, something fell. That's fine. Okay. And then this should be it. We're gonna cook the other side a little more, and we should be fine. Cook it for like 3-4 minutes more, and we should be fine. Okay, so I'm gonna add the red bell pepper, the green bell pepper. I'm gonna let this saute for a couple minutes more. I'll have the exact details, the exact measurements and everything on my website, theveganseason.com. Okay, so we're gonna let this saute to get those flavors going. And we're gonna check on our fries. Oh wow, look at the grill marks on here. Look at that. Ooh, this looks great. So I think we should be finished now. Let me just look at the other side. Ooh, look at that crisscross grill marks. Have you ever seen? So at this point, I think we're done with the patty part. Just push it in. This looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna leave it on another 2 minutes. Okay, another 2 minutes, but this looks good. The grill marks look like barbecue. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to turn the fries right now. I'm not going to use the tongues because I want to do this quick. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to flip them over, you know, just do a quick flip. And that looks so good. That looks good. Leave that open. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little balsamic vinegar, give it a little kick, a pinch of chili sauce, just a pinch, not too much, a little liquid aminos, a little Bragg's. And I want to keep the seasoning simple with just a little salt, a little onion powder. Simple seasoning, nothing too complicated. And garlic powder. Give it a little stir. Smells good. A piece of thyme. Can't forget the thyme. Give it a stir. Add a little pinch of water. If you feel that it's getting too dry, instead of adding more oil, can add a little more water because I want that thyme, the flavoring from the thyme to get in there as well. We are almost done. Now it is time to just put together our burger, put the fries on the side. So what we want to do, the fries taste really good. Just want to add a little salt on top, a little sea salt, stir it up. So our buns are nice and toasted. I'm gonna put my patty on. I'm gonna add some salad, some lettuce, tomato, cucumber is gonna be stacked. And I love onions, so I'm putting a lot of onions. Okay, instead of pickles, I like cucumber. And some scallion on there. Then I'm going to add my avocado or zabaka. Can't even pick it up. Got a little kick to it. And it's falling apart, but that's okay. And keep the burger together. There we go. So what fell off the side, let me clear this for you. What fell off the side of the burger, that's fine. You can eat it as a salad, you know. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of the fries. There you go, a nice veggie burger. A nice veggie burger, sweet potato fries, zabaka on the inside, some salad, a little relish. Looks great. Thank you for joining me on the Vegan Season Cooking channel. This is the season to be vegan. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Also, for a face reveal, let's get to 500 subscribers, and I'll see you soon. Bye.